Seen ads promising a $750 Costco gift card from Cartvoucher.deals? Today, we're cutting through the hype to figure out if this is real or just a scam. Let's break it down. So sites like Cartvoucher.deals and other Costco gift card pages claim you can earn a high-value Costco voucher, often $700 to $750, by completing simple tasks or surveys. They use Costco branding to look convincing, but there's a big catch behind the scenes. Here's what experts and trackers review: very low or extremely low trust scores on scam analysis sites, suggesting high risk or unsafe activity rather than a real rewards program. These offers are not linked to Costco in any official way. Costco does not run promotions, handing out hundreds in gift cards for surveys or simple tasks. Similar sites like groceryclaims.com are documented scams that never deliver a real Costco card. They either harvest personal data or funnel you into unrelated paid offers. Reddit threads and scam forums confirm that these $750 Costco claims are part of a pattern of fake gift card scams with no verified users actually getting the reward. So is Cartvoucher.deals a real Costco voucher offer? No, it's almost certainly fake and high risk. There's no evidence Costco is running this promotion, and similar sites never deliver the promised gift cards while collecting personal data or redirecting to shady deals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.